Igamba rĩa kubutwa kwa ateithĩrĩria barĩ munini wa gavana kaunti-inĩ Meru Mutuma M'Ethingia nĩrĩtĩrĩtwo mwanka mweri Jumatano nyuma ya munene wa rutungugi ba gavana Nchamba Mbithi kwaga kanya ga kũrita ũkũnje bwawe. Abisa munene wa wandĩkani Virginia Kawira amwana bou na ritite ũkũnje bwawe mugambithania uju wa koti ya liba kiugari na magamba ja maingi mono na ni ntuku 18 ke ethairwo agairi kana ikenda kuthikira magamba ja koti u DG Meru.
Konoro Patrick Nkunga oro wari mutetherio munini wa gavana Mutuma M'Ethingia na poi kamati oro wari ndereva wawe nyuma yo kwithura babuti-ini kaunti ya Meru nabona ndi gukinya kotini kuregana na ntu bubu muthejo narwa bembere mugambithania wage manto ja wandikwa bakinyite kotini ara kujebuka ikwejanwa ni abisa munene wa mbondi ondika ndene Meru no Virginia Kawira kumana na kubuta ngugi kwa baba iri.
What I'm asking is whether the records of the personal staff in the office of the governor are kept together with the other records.
Yes.
Nakagita karambire kwaria kinya kiure biuria ni mugambithania uju augire mutarataja jwa tumikire kwenga baba iri ngugine tabaterie.
In the end, after all that investigation, did you find that the guy had resigned? That's the question before the court.
We found that there were many irregularities because when an officer leaves service, there is clearance. Actually, resignation should have come to the board through the chief of staff, which they did not. This officer was never cleared by us.
So
we did not
was there a valid resignation according to you?
There is.
Kulingana Virginia Kawira aruga mbondi ne bati kwa mikira baruga ira yerikana ati ni andikina ntu babo baire ekubuta ngugi.
Then if it is, it's a problem which is not clear. This is to acknowledge the receipt of the other conditions like individuals and the ambassador. The county government as an objection.
Enda kawa bisa munene obisi ni gavana no Nchamba Mbithi no andikire baruga ekuatia gwitikiria andu bakubuta ngugi untu bra botabati.
Is there a procedure for forwarding of any resignation?
It is usually the owner address the rule the respective chief of staff of the government. So the chief of staff will be the one who supervises those officers. He should have forwarded the resignation letter to the board. They did not, and for clarity purposes, the personal resignation, the original resignation letter of an officer moves with his personal file, and not as newspapers that have filing being brought to this one. They shouldn't be his personal file. Anybody who wishes to use it gets a copy.
Nchamba Mbithi kinyona kwirigiri ukinye kongoro nikenda itoku jibwawe ndo ntubo tirombekana kulingana mugambithania uju kuwe na kagita gaka imono ya kuthikira magamba ja wandika ndene kaunti Meru ai ntiko 18 akiki mwaka.
You'll have to appreciate I'm doing what I can. That's why I'm sitting up to meet through lunch, because you people who pay tax, you have only allowed me to come here 3 days after every 60 days. That means 18 days per year. That's the only time you people can have a judge here. So if you don't use the time properly, you cannot blame me. I'm doing my very best, but 3 days after 2 months is not enough.
Arana ligamba riri ligetana mbere mweri Jumatano na riro Nchamba Mbithi akethwa gitoku jibwawe.
So hearing of the first to fourth respondents case will be on 5th May 2025.
Muthuri Muriuki wa TV mutirio kanga